Feeling restless at work? Here's 5 Acupoints to re-energize yourself. Here I have Dr. Wang's GTH Root Chinese Herbal Ointment to give you that extra relaxation. First up, the temples, 太阳穴. Place both thumbs at the corners of your brows and eyes and gently massage your temples. This helps with minor headaches and eye fatigue, keeping you more energized. Second, try out the Bai Hui point located at the top of your head. This acupoint helps to relieve muscle tension around your neck area, prevents headaches, and keeps you energized. It also helps to reduce the risk of hair fall. Next, we have the hand valley point, 合谷穴. Place your thumb at the hand valley point and place pressure. This acupoint helps to reduce pain in every area of the body, including headaches, toothaches, neck pain, constipation, and more. Fourth, we have the Feng Chi point. Open your palms and place them against your ears, holding your head. At the arc between your neck and hairline, do upward motions with your thumb. This acupoint helps to reduce dark eye circles, eye fatigue, stiff neck and shoulders, and headaches. Lastly, try out the 肩颈穴, located along your shoulder bridge. This point helps to reduce shoulder aches and gives you better sleep at night. Hope you guys learned something with this tutorial from Dr. Wang GTH.